Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I will make an another tutorial that is how to make a static routing with FMG. And the first is you must log in with your own IP that given to you with your own FMG. And then you must log into your browser with that IP. After that, the password is the user is admin and with the password is FA. After that, you must log in with HTML console HTML. If you log in with native console, you cannot open the other browser like this because we must use gentle. And first we must add our IP, that is IP address. Okay, before that, we must connect all of the router. We must connect all of the router with the cable like this. There's the cable here. We just connect to other router like this. Change to other two. After that, just connect to the others with ether 3, ether 3, or the 4, same with 4, like this one. So yeah, okay, we must reconnect again. We must start and then reconnect. And we must refresh again. Alright, otherwise we must add an IP. Okay, so there's an IP here with ether 2. And then we add to the other router, same. We use the prefix is /24, and then for the interface ether 2. If we want to make it like valid, like the fixed thing, we must to use the code is IP address print like this. So there's an IP, and we make the second IP for the second router. IP address And last, we must add to the other router the the IP. The code is same, the child IP address, add address. We must follow the address like this if you want to make a routing. For the first, for the third router is at 4 because before this we use an 804. If you want to check an IP, the IP that we create last time, we can use IP address slash IP address print like this. So there's an IP. And next we'll make a root that is IP root IP root at IP root at destination address. And then, oh yeah, the destination address is 192 192 180 168 and 2, and then the host is, and the host is 0. If you want to access the other out of the router, out of the root, out of the IP that we connect, we use 0. It can detect out of the IP that we want, and we will use the gateway like this one. If you want to check our IP that we create, we can use IP route print like this. There's an IP in here that we create last time, and the next is we create the other IP. IP route. And the gateway, we will use 192 with 168.2.2. Yeah, this. And then we can check our root and the net our root with IP root print. But before that, we will create a next IP. We already make the IP, the root, the routing, the root, yes, the root. And next is with the second, with the third router, same. We will create the IP root. And after that, we will check the root, hit ping, and yeah, we already connect to the router like this. So for this project, we already make the static routing. Yeah, if you want to make valid again, we can use the router. We use the ping 102.168.1.1 like this. So we already connect the other router, the tree of router. So maybe that's all. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.